Hey everybody, this is Kush with Mountain Elf Gaming and Homestead. Just thought you guys might like to see the winter storm we're having. Mountains are supposed to be all around us, but you can't see much. I'm bundled up because it's about 9 degrees right now, I think. My dogs are charging around like crazy. We've had a bunch of birds at the bird feeder, but of course when we came out on the porch, they all decided it was better off to leave. See one little guy over there. We've had some really big bluebirds. There's one of my crazy dogs. But we've got currently probably about 6 inches and it is still snowing. We're expecting anywhere from 8 to 10 by the time this is done. But we like it when it snows. The dogs love it. And it's great because it's usually gone in a couple days. There goes our other pup, bounding through the snow, which is great as long as they don't run into a cactus. Little birdies. But it's tiny little flakes at the moment. My son had friends over yesterday and I had to drive them home in the snowstorm. It got a lot worse than we expected very quickly. So I had to drive home in whiteout conditions, but we got them home safe and then got back here. We live out in the country, so 8 miles of dirt road covered in 4 to 6 inches of snow was always fun. But you can see we've got drifts piled up back here in the back in some places. Dogs have been making paths through. They just love charging around when it's colder. But I just thought some of you that maybe live where you don't get much snow might like to see some of our winter storm. We've had a fire going in the fireplace just for a little additional warmth and that comfy cozy factor. So this is our second winter storm technically. And we are expected to have very cold temperatures today and tomorrow. And then I think we get one nice day. And then I think we have another day of snow. So my husband's kicking snow off the porch and the dogs are trying to catch it. Oh. Let me just not put them in there. But that's our driveway out there, and you can't even see the tracks from where I drove in last night. And so, just thought you guys might like to see. You have to excuse my dogs in the background. They get a little hyper when they're playing with snow. But that's our winter storm for today. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all later. Thanks.